Hello, in part 2 of FEMAP video series we will apply constraints and loads to the model we have previously defined and meshed. First let's create and then apply a constraint set to a model's base. In this case I'm referring to this as a model's base, and the edge that I will apply the load will be on this one. From the menu we can go to Model, Constraint, and create Manage Set. In this case we will create a new constraint set. You can call it anything you want. In the title I'm calling it the base because I'm going to apply the constraint to this base area. You hit OK, done. Now you can go to Model, Constraint, Nodal, and here you can pick the nodes at the edge. In this case I am picking these nodes, and now that the nodes are picked I can hit OK, and we will use a fixed. Hit OK and then hit cancel to exit out. Now let's create a 10-pound load at this edge and see by having a constraint on this base side what will happen. To apply a 10-pound load we will go to Model, Load, Nodal. For the title, since I'm putting it on the Y direction, I will enter that as the title, so that's the Y direction. Hit OK, and then we will pick the nodes of the opposite edge. In this case I'm applying it on loads on here. Okay, we applied the location for the load. We will hit OK, and then for the load under the FY we will add, let's say, 10 pound. Hit OK, and then we'll hit cancel to get out of this dialog box. You see these are exactly the location that we picked, and this is the Y direction with 10 pound. So now we can output the analysis for NASTRAN. We go to Model, under Analysis we are doing a new one, and the title of it, again, just so that I can remember it, I'm doing this as a buckle. It's going to be the analysis program we are going to use is NASTRAN, and the type of analysis that we are going to use is a buckling. So we choose that, hit OK, and then hit Analysis. So at this point the analysis monitor opens and it starts processing. It did that. Now we can go ahead and finally view the buckling. To view the buckling we go to View, and then select. In the deformed style we can use deform, and then we will hit the deformed and contour data button. And for the output set eigenvalue, there's two choices. We are using a eigenvalue or eigenvalue, and then hit OK, hit OK. So you see what happened here to the surface, that the edge that the load was applied. So the eigenvalue, the model buckles at the load of minus 568.87 times higher than the applied load. This concludes the part 2 of FEMAP video series. Thank you.